your thing that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to the camera.
Yeah, I might turn now, people. So, yeah, man, we're here, table time, people. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, look out for it.
Actually, what am I doing? I'm gonna put it on the side.
Everyone's on camera. That is it. Hey, people, look out for this one, yeah. This one I got shot. Yes, everyone, this is where it all, like, you understand?
This is where the magic happens still.
And this is where the evening closes for everyone as well, because we've been out on the street today, people, yeah?
Come on.
I might turn right now, you know?
You're turning on Ringo.
Table Time podcast, people, yeah? Look out for it.
Look out.
We was out today. You understand?
Well, we wasn't feeling homeless today. We was doing research on the homeless today.
Research. That is it.
That's right.
A good vibes.
I'm sorry to squeeze.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Nah, you're alright.
He's man's friend from school, you get me? So, with no further ado, introduce yourself, my brother.
Yes, people, big up yourself. Fend, thank you for inviting me on Table Time podcast. Everyone that's watching right now, you know what to do. Just hit that like, comment, and subscribe for the general car. He's out here putting the work. I'm Ringo Vision, people, yeah?
Jeez.
Alright, that is it.
Come on,
let's
brother.
just get right into it.
Let's go. Alright, cool.
Go on.
So
what?
what?
Juice.
Yeah, alright, cool. Let's pour up. Wait, one sec.
The juice.
I've got a gift for you. Our sponsor, big up $30 rum. You get me?
$30 big up
this
yourself.
Is a gift for Ringo Vision.
All
my
right.
brethren, my brother, you get me?
What's this?
Well, yeah, you can do what you want. It's yours, bro. I've got a little piece here, but you can do what you want. I've got one open already.
Everyone, big up yourself. Thank you.
know
What
what
you
I mean?
say? $30.
$30, fam.
That is it.
$30. So
good
obviously,
vibe.
we're gonna pour up this one that we have here.
Let me
Get me? Some that we have made from, like Art Attack.
Yeah, come on.
You know the way there. You get me? This is pour up. But yeah, man, tell the people where did you? So what? Where was you born?
Alright, so
First and foremost.
Alright, born in Jamaica,
Okay, what part?
Clarendon.
So you're born in Clarendon,
Yeah,
yeah?
in the countryside.
So, Ross, look at that. So, what was life like in Jamaica growing up?
Life in Jamaica growing up. It's a farm.
Yeah.
So basically, it's very agriculture environment.
Yeah.
And livestock. So
Yeah.
cows, donkeys.
Yeah.
And that's something.
Yeah.
But growing up in Jamaica, I tell you what, I can remember of the early childhood in Jamaica.
Yeah.
For instance, going to school. Going to school was always walking. It's a foot thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't like, and school was probably about 4.5 miles from home.
Wow.
So we walked 4.5 miles in the morning to school, about that.
Yeah.
And then we walked 4.5 miles back home.
Yeah.
So school, was like myself, like me, my cousin, and my older cousin.
Yeah.
And she was the one that took us to school. So there's like 3 of us going to school.
Sick.
But our older cousin was the one that would have taken us to school.
Yeah.
But and she would have been the one that would have held our dinner money as well.
Right.
And then them time they buy like a 1 bulla, like a bag juice. That's when the bag juice them and the bullet them were cheap.
See.
Now you go into the shop now, them things are a little bit more expensive.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was the little upbringing in Jamaica. My grandparents they were farmers.
Okay.
Like both grandparents were farmers.
Yeah.
So they dealt with my great grandfather dealt with sugarcane.
See.
So how he provided for the family and whatnot was through sugarcane.
Yeah.
So every April, because they cut the cane once a year, every April, chop down the thing, and then they provide it to the sugar factories.
See. So your family are doing big things in agriculture in
well,
Jamaica.
At that time, when he was alive, he was playing a massive role in the sense of providing towards the sugar factory, the cane factory, and whatever they would have used to do with cane at the time, whether it's sugar, whether it's rum, whatever they're doing with it.
Sick, man. And then obviously...
Hey, cheers.
Oh yeah, now cheers, my bro. Come on, celebration, you know.
Good vibes.
Celebration. So obviously, and then I met you. Obviously, I was probably about 7, 8 years old, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you was like a few years older than man.
Yeah.
But so I met you at the time. So you've come over.
Yes.
Seeing, look at that. So what was the adjustment like as well? Like coming from Jamaica to England. Did you think it was just like it was easy here or?
The adjustment was The adjustment was different because obviously like I wasn't in a community where you was looking at motor vehicles.
Yeah.
So motor vehicle was like boom, that's something new.
Yeah.
Because you've seen a bus, that's something new. A
See.
train, that was something new.
Yes.
So everything that when man come to England, I've seen it for the first time.
See.
Phone box, first time.
Yeah.
First time I saw that was in Gatwick Airport.
Look at that.
Yeah, so I remember the first time I ran over to the phone box and picked up the phone.
Yeah.
So I remember when I first got into the yard, man picked up the thing and wondering what it was.
Yes.
Spinning around the thing and the thing, because them time was, my granddad had like a little cream phone, but it was one of them old school ones.
Oh, okay, the ones with the dials where you spin it and you spin it. Yeah.
Pick it up.
Yeah.
Flick it around. Man used to just play with that. In
Yeah,
the yard, they used to
I
just
remember
play with
them,
that.
yeah.
That was like a toy.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally. So everything was different in the sense of lifestyle.
Yeah.
Because you're growing up in a country that had different. They had what they reached there now. All I had to do was just deliver it. So my business plan, was basically.
I was going to ask you that. So what was the business plan? Yeah.
The business plan was Icy Streets,
Okay.
but it was showcasing music talent from all over the UK,
Yeah.
and then airing it in an environment like Hackney Empire.
See.
So
like
talent
a premiere.
Yeah, so talent shows, getting white record labels and radio stations to just air it and advertise it. That was in the structure of the business plan.
Yeah.
So stick a pin quickly, but X Factor and Britain's Got Talent came out like 15 years later.
Look at that.
But look, my business plan went through Princess Trust. I'm just saying.
Ringo Vision.
They were farmers.
Okay.
Both grandparents were farmers.
Yeah.
So they dealt with my great grandfather dealt with sugarcane. So how he provided for the family and whatnot.
Yes, that's right.
Chopping training is just the next ethos of back home.
What? Yeah, I was going to ask you, what made you, so have a show?
Yes, everybody, big up Fend, Dining Table, Table Time Podcast. It was an amazing experience, my first ever podcast, everyone. But guess what? Look out for the full video on Fend's channel. I've tagged him, everybody. Just click on his link, support his channel, help him to get his monetization, people. He's on the journey with Ringo Vision. Good vibes. Fend, you don't know what I want. Today was absolutely amazing, bro. Table Time Podcast. Everyone, look, you see the full video? The story's on there. You understand? Don't miss this one. Go over and check Fend out. Come back over here and tell me what you thought of it, everybody. You hear it? Go over to Fend's channel, check him out, come back over on Ringo Vision and tell me what you thought of the video, everybody, and you thought of like the whole journey. You understand? Good vibes. Big up yourself, people, That is it.